Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter your clips and footage that you have in the media bin and sort them by content type, such as by video or by audio or by screen recording. And I'll also show you how to filter your media by duration. Maybe you want to only see footage that are between 30 seconds and 60 seconds long. To filter or sort the footage or clips that you have in your media bin, come down to the very bottom of the panel. You'll see this left-facing arrow. If you just click on that, it will open this panel here. You want to make sure that you're on the first tab here where it says Filters. And now if you just click right here where it says Content Type, you'll see this little pop-up. And now all you have to do is just check or uncheck to sort or filter by the type of content. So if I uncheck all these, now I'm only going to see video files or movies inside of my media panel. If I click it again, maybe I only want to see still images. So I can check that. Now I'm seeing movies or videos and images. But if I uncheck the movies, now I'm only seeing images. And now I will show you how you can filter or sort your media by duration, or how long the clip or footage is. So first, I'm going to open up the Filters and Metadata panel by coming to the bottom of the media bin and clicking on the left-facing arrow. Make sure you're on the first tab, Filters. I'm going to narrow down the content type by clicking on the arrow next to Content Type. I'm going to uncheck everything except screen recording. Then, to filter by duration, I'm just going to check the box next to duration. I'm going to click on this right-facing arrow. So they're both currently set to 0. So I'm telling Screenflow that I want to find all screen recordings that are 0 seconds long. Well, you can see here that I have none that are 0 seconds long. So let's change the minimum and maximum duration. I'm going to set the minimum duration to 60 seconds or 1 minute long. I'm going to set the maximum duration to 90 seconds. So I'm telling Screenflow that I want to find screen recordings that are between a minute and a minute and a half long. So I'm going to type in 90, hit tab, and now I'm going to see all of my screen recordings that are between a minute and a half. And just as an FYI, you don't have to calculate the number of seconds. So if I wanted to do the maximum duration of 5 minutes, I could just type in 5 MIN. And now I'm telling Screenflow that I want to see all clips that are at least a minute long, but not longer than 5 minutes. And that is how to filter or sort media in Screenflow 10. And my name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.